The letter I is visually associated with a red apple to reinforce recognition. The letter B is paired with a bouncing ball to create a memorable connection. The letter C is linked to a common animal, a cat, for easy recall. The letter D is associated with a dog, a familiar and friendly animal. The letter E is paired with an elephant, a large and easily recognizable animal. The letter F is connected to a fish, an aquatic animal, to aid in memorization. The letter J is associated with the image of juice to aid in memorization. The letter K is paired with a kite, providing a visual and phonetic link. The letter L is represented by a lion, connecting the letter to a recognizable animal. The letter M is associated with a monkey, reinforcing the letter's sound. The letter N is linked to a nest, creating a memorable association. The letter R is paired with a rainbow, providing a vibrant visual cue. The letter S is visually associated with the sun, initiating the final segment of the alphabet learning sequence. The letter T is paired with a tiger, reinforcing the association through visual representation. An umbrella is used to represent the letter U, creating a memorable visual link. The letter Y is associated with a yo-yo, enhancing learning through object association. The letter Z is visually linked to a zebra, completing the alphabet and reinforcing the learning experience.